Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here at Target Trading Academy with today's micros market recap. Let's get right into it. It is Wednesday, January 11th, just after the close of New York. Right into oil here. Oil, we opened gap up again, well above that close from the day prior. Excuse me. Which was around here. Had initial buying, short-lived. They came down, hit that HVA edge, and just bounced off of it like a trampoline at the circus. And then they hit that high from the opening and couldn't break through it. So they came back down, tested those lows, and the buyers won. So we are finishing net positive for the day here in oil. As far as gold goes, gold opened inside of its range from yesterday above that close. Had some initial sideways movements, and then sellers stepped in sideways, and then sellers again, and then hitting around that HVA high volume area. Remember, it's an area, and then that just got driven back up. So we did finish net positive in gold as well. As far as our equities go, in general, the markets were pretty grindy, very consolidated. That first period in terms of open to lunch, because there's the lunch marker. You can just see how sideways that was. But after lunch, it just started melting up. Those buyers started stepping in. We got some big news coming out tomorrow, so we'll see what happens with that. But it was pretty slow and choppy, and it's probably slow and choppy because of that news that is coming out tomorrow. It's the CPI early morning. Similar story in the NASDAQ. Not saying that there wasn't any opportunities for entries. It just was a slow grind, and you'll be watching that winners, losers, break-even video. You'll see that there was plenty of opportunities. So similar story, NASDAQ opened gap up, had a little bit of a run up, and then came back down. Not quite hitting that edge, turning around just before it, and then you can just see how much it consolidated and went sideways. Then they tested the HVA above us, so that got smacked down quite hard. I mean, if they had trailed according to our methodology, that is quite a bit of a potential earner there. But again, it depends on how each student managed their trade based off of what we teach them in the rooms. And then that lunchtime came, and it just started melting up. You can just see that here. It was definitely choppy, but that's what happened today. We are finishing net positive in our equities. It was a slow grind up and to the right. We got large news announcement coming out tomorrow morning. If you have any questions or you're wanting to learn more about these areas, the high volume areas, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can find us on Facebook or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with a consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day, and you'll be able to see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. We look forward to seeing you there.